This is your Weather Extreme video for Saturday, December the 13th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Thanks for tuning in. There's a look at our Skycam network and a beautiful beginning to the day for central Alabama as we look at the Trussville Skycam with the sun rising and giving a little color to the eastern sky. And then I can't help but enjoy the shot at Jasper as we look at the Christmas decorations up there in downtown Jasper. High pressure has settled in over the southeastern United States. It looks like we have the center of the high just about over Nashville, or very close to that anyway. And things are getting kind of messy out to the west with a pretty big storm system that has brought mudslides and heavy rain to California. And that system will be affecting us Monday and into early Tuesday. In the upper atmosphere, we do have a bit of a trough that's moving through the area, but thanks to the fact that moisture is cut off, we're not noticing anything of any significance with this trough, and ridging will be the main feature for the rest of the day and into Sunday and early Monday. Temperatures across the country actually don't look that bad for this time of year. I mean, keeping in mind it's nearly the middle of December. But we don't see much in the way of freezing values, except along the Appalachians and up in the New England area. Across central Alabama, temperatures this morning for most locations are in the 20s, although Birmingham and Tuscaloosa just a tad warmer in the 30 to 32 degree range. Looks like after a rather chilly start with plenty of sunshine today, and we can see the lakes showing up, those little dark patches we see in South Carolina and down towards the Montgomery area. It looks like we should see plenty of sunshine today. Watch warning map is not too bad. All the gray areas are dense fog advisories, and all the purple areas are some winter weather advisories. So actually not a great deal going on. QPF-wise, we're looking at around half-inch or less with the rain expected Monday evening and into Monday night and early Tuesday. And then another shot rain comes probably by the end of the week, but that's beyond this 7-day forecast. The Storm Prediction Center is not outlooking any organized severe thunderstorms for day one. Day two, there's a marginal area centered primarily on Oklahoma City. And then on day three, once again, no organized severe thunderstorms are forecast. All right, let's get to the 06Z GFS model run. And there's the surface high. That's going to keep the weather beautiful across the southeastern U.S. In the upper atmosphere, the ridge is moving over us as that trough will make its way around the bottom of the big closed low just off the Maine coast. Sunday, our trough is gone, and the ridge, the sharp ridge, is moved over us, and we see the next system coming out of the southern Rockies as it comes across the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandle area. And by Monday at midday, we see that system has moved out into extreme northern Missouri, and that will drag or take the surface low up into Iowa and drag a cold front down into the area. But it looks like clouds will be increasing for the day Monday, but it looks like we stay dry probably until very late afternoon or evening hours as the front approaches. That moves by fairly quickly, briskly at least, and we see that the trough is over the eastern Great Lakes area, and that should take much of the weather out of our area as high pressure settles in, but not especially cold because this is not having any kind of extreme Arctic connections. We come under an upper level ridge on Wednesday, and that ridge is over us on Thursday as everything is kind of moved off to the north, and we do see another system off to our west, and so that is beginning to bring moisture back up into Texas, Oklahoma, and the parts of the central Mississippi River Valley. On Friday, that trough gets closer to us, and that will influence our weather and bring in chances for rain. It looks like probably Friday, maybe the day starts out dry, but we probably will see rain moving in during the day on Friday. By Saturday, that system is also moving by fairly briskly as we begin to come under another ridge, so the pattern's staying pretty active, and so the rain should be ending probably during the early afternoon on Saturday, although that's verging on voodoo country, and we may have to adjust the timing a little bit on that. The weather pattern stays dry as we head into the 23rd or the 22nd and 23rd of December, but you can see on the 23rd it's going to be a wet pattern, and that could be a bit stormy. Very, very good looking trough there coming across the southern stream with a nice look to it that certainly looks like it's going to tap into a lot of Pacific and Gulf moisture. We dry out, but we warm up by the 25th. It looks like with a big ridge over us and a good southwesterly flow. If you follow that flow back from Birmingham, you go back into the the eastern Pacific there. So it looks like it'll be warm on the Christmas Day and dry for us, but another system headed our way around the 28th. I appreciate you tuning into the Weather Xtreme video. I expect to have the next one posted first thing on Sunday morning. In the meantime, enjoy your Saturday and Godspeed.